What are molds? Molds is a type of fungus, characterized by thread-like branching structures called hyphae, which form a network known as a mycelium. Molds are saprophytic organisms, also called saprotrophs. That means they obtain nutrients by breaking down dead and decaying organic matter through extracellular digestion. Molds are one of the most common types of saprophytic fungi, playing a crucial role in ecological nutrient recycling. They do not perform photosynthesis, and instead use extracellular digestion to feed. Where do molds grow? Mold requires moisture to thrive, so it is commonly found in areas with water damage, high humidity, or poor ventilation, such as basements, showers, and around leaks. Reproduction of molds. Molds reproduce primarily through the massive production of asexual microscopic spores, like conidiospores and sporangiospores. They spread via air, water, or insects. When spores land on warm, damp, nutrient-rich surfaces, they germinate into hyphae, forming new colonies every 24 to 36 hours, consuming organic material to survive. How do molds spread? Mold reproduces by releasing tiny, lightweight spores that travel through the air, both indoors and outdoors. These spores float through the air, germinating when they land on a damp spot. Controlling moisture and fixing leaks immediately is essential to prevent growth. What are the types of mold? They are commonly divided into two types, based on septation of their hyphae. They can be either Ascomycetes or Zygomycetes. First we will discuss the Ascomycetes, known as sac fungi. Ascomycetes are the largest phylum of fungi. They have septate hyphae, cross walls, with pores that allow cytoplasmic continuity. They reproduce sexually via ascospores and asexually via conidia. Examples include Aspergillus and Penicillium, the fungus known for antibiotic production. Second is Zygomycetes, known as conjugated fungi. They possess cenocytic, non-septate, hyphae, meaning the filaments lack cross walls, septa, between cells, allowing cytoplasm and nuclei to move freely. Unlike most fungi, they often synthesize chitosan alongside chitin as a significant part of their cell walls. They produce asexually by a sporangium, and sometimes they reproduce sexually by a zygosporangium. Examples include Rhizopus, black bread mold, and Mucor.